In today's video, I will make a full comparison between Money SMS and McMoney, two mobile apps only available on Android where you can earn money passively simply by receiving text. I will show you how they look, how much you can expect to earn, and withdraw payments from both apps. Before I get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I review apps and websites on a weekly basis where you can make money online. So let's start with Money SMS. I currently have €17.24. For my American viewers and around the world, as of today, the euro and dollar are worth about the same. By the time you watch this video, this could change, but as of today, these two currencies are basically at parity. The minimum withdrawal amount is only €2. The income I received from receiving SMS is €12.64 since the last time I withdrew cash from this app, and I also earned €4.60 thanks to referrals. You can see I've already withdrawn money from this app 3 times, and today I will withdraw money once more. You get paid 2 cents for every SMS you receive. You do need to keep the app running and keep your Wi-Fi or data on to receive SMS. The app won't bother you at all, and you won't even notice it's there as it stays open in the background once you install it. To earn even more, you can invite your friends and get a bonus. For every friend you refer to Money SMS, you will get paid 30% from their withdrawals. Your friends will also receive a 25 cents bonus when entering your referral code upon registration. Just tap here to copy your personal referral code and share it with your friends and family. In the last 30 days, I received a total of 155 texts, and that's the equivalent of €3.10. The numbers here are how many texts I received on a daily basis. You can scroll back 30 days to see how many texts you received each day. The reason I received so many texts this month is mostly due to this particular day, July 9th, where I received 121 texts. This is very unusual, as I usually receive about 1 text per day. In the settings, the only important field here is this one where you can choose your payment method. I personally decided to get paid via PayPal, but you can also get paid via Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. So I will now withdraw my payment, select PayPal, and hit withdraw again. My withdrawal request was accepted. Withdrawals usually take 48 hours. At the end of this video, I will pause the recording, and once I receive my payment, I will show you my payment proof. So let's now move on to McMoney. Just like Money SMS, I've also reached the minimum balance needed to cash out. With McMoney, the minimum to withdraw is $5. So I currently have $9.79 and a bonus of $45.90. If you go to the menu on the top left corner and select News, you will see all the users you refer to the app and the times you received the referral bonus. In My Earnings, you will see how many text messages you received. Each message adds 5 cents to your balance, and the minimum balance for a payout is $5. You can also see below that I withdrew cash from this app twice last year. In the Inbox tab, they detected 192 text messages since my last payout. These are the kinds of text you will receive. They are nonsense, but you will earn 5 cents for each you receive. In My Account, make sure this toggle is on. In Availability, you can select what time of the day you want to receive text. By default, you will receive text at any time of the day, 24/7. But if you don't want to be disturbed by text at specific hours, then just untick whatever day or select the times at which you don't want to be disturbed. Make sure to enter your full name and PayPal email address there before cashing out. The other settings below should not be edited unless you're having issues with McMoney for whatever reason. Finally, the Referrals tab is where you will find your referral code that you can share around to earn even more. Whenever someone joins using your referral code, they will earn $1.02, and you will also earn that same amount once that person receives a certain amount of text from McMoney. I don't remember if they need to receive at least 5 or 10 texts, but it should be in that range. You can see I referred many users, but most gave up very quickly, therefore I didn't earn anything for most of my referrals. Here's how it should look like for you to earn a $1.02 bonus. The green bar should be completed and show 100%. So before cashing out, I will re-enter my personal information by going to my account. Now that that's done, I can just go back to Start and cash out. The total amount I should receive is $55.69. Your PayPal email address should then be filled in automatically, and if not, then simply enter it manually. So I will now cash out via PayPal. My money is now on its way, and I can expect my payment within the upcoming 4 weeks. That's quite a long time, but I will let you know if it takes less time than that. Before I pause the recording, I just want to sum up the pros and cons between Money SMS and McMoney. These pros and cons are only based on my personal experience with these two apps. With Money SMS, here are the pros. You get a 25 cents bonus when signing up through a referral code. You get a 30% referral bonus when the friends you've invited withdraw cash. The minimum cash out is extremely low at only €2. You can receive a lot of text in a month. As I've shown you earlier, I received a total of 155 texts this month. You can redeem via PayPal or cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. I was only able to find one con, and it's the fact that it's only available in a limited amount of countries. I don't have the list of where you can join from, but from what I read online, it's mostly available in Europe and some parts of Asia. This might have changed since then, and the only way to find out is for you to install the app on your phone from the link provided in the description below. For McMoney, the pros are the following. You get a $1.02 bonus when signing up through a referral code. The earnings are high, but text received at 5 cents each. And from what I read online, it's available in most countries worldwide. The cons are that the minimum cash out is $5. Even though it's not that high, it's much higher than Money SMS, and it could take a few weeks or even months to get to this threshold. The cash out options are very limited, as you can only withdraw your cash via PayPal. I'm a huge fan of PayPal, and that's the method I choose for most apps and websites I test, but I know that PayPal is not available worldwide. Therefore, it would be a good idea if they could add something like crypto, for example. Overall, Money SMS and McMoney are great apps where you can earn money completely passively. I only ever open these apps every few months to withdraw a payment. Note that you won't earn much from these two apps. From my experience, I earn anywhere between $2 to $5 on average per month, so it's definitely not a lot, but once they're installed and set up, you don't need to do anything at all. I will now pause the recording and resume once I receive my payments from both of these apps. I'm back and finally received my payments from both Money SMS and McMoney. There were some technical issues for Money SMS, but it all turned out very well. So I contacted Money SMS support on August 12th as I hadn't received my money yet. It had already been 10 business days since I requested it, as I requested my payment on July 31st, 2022. They replied very quickly on the same day, mentioning some technical issues with their payment system. On September 9th, I still hadn't received anything. So I emailed them again and asked if they were still experiencing technical issues. I asked them if I should cancel my request and withdraw some cryptocurrency instead. A few hours ago, on September 14th, they apologized for the long delay and inconvenience and said the funds should reach my account by the end of the day. Only 20 minutes after that email, I then received this email from Money SMS confirming my payment was sent, including a screenshot of the amount I should receive. So I connected to my PayPal account, and as you can see, the full amount was finally transferred. Regarding McMoney, I received my payment on August 11th, so it took 11 days to receive it. If you remember, they mentioned it could take up to 4 weeks, so I was happy to see it before. Again, the full amount was sent to my PayPal account, so that's $55.69. Overall, in my experience, these two apps are great if you want to earn some money passively. Thank you all for watching and supporting my channel, and see you very soon.